It was the year 1971. Psychologist Philip Zimbardo conducted a historical experiment known as the Stanford Prison Experiment. In this study, college students were assigned roles as either guards or prisoners in a simulated prison environment. Remarkably, the participants quickly embodied their roles to an extreme, with guards exhibiting authoritarian and often cruel behavior, while prisoners became submissive and showed signs of stress and depression. This experiment, although ethically controversial, highlights the profound impact of social roles and environments on human behavior, showcasing the importance of social psychology in understanding human actions and interactions. Social psychology is the scientific study of how people's thoughts, feelings, and behaviors are influenced by the actual, imagined, or implied presence of others. It explores how individuals perceive and interact with others, and how the social environment shapes beliefs, attitudes, and behaviors. This field bridges the gap between psychology, focusing on individuals, and sociology, focusing on societal groups. Once upon a time, in the late 19th century, there was a growing curiosity about the invisible threads that connected individual minds to the larger tapestry of society. It was a time of scientific awakening, where the curiosity led to the birth of a new field, social psychology. Our story begins with a gentleman named Norman Triplett, fascinated by cyclists. In 1898, he noticed something intriguing. Cyclists rode faster when they raced together than when they rode alone. Curious, he conducted what many consider the first social psychology experiment, confirming that the presence of others can significantly influence individual performance. This discovery laid the cornerstone for understanding social facilitation, a key concept in social psychology. As the pages of the 20th century turned, the world faced its darkest hours during the World Wars. Out of the ashes of these conflicts, social psychology found a poignant and urgent relevance. Psychologists began to question how ordinary people could commit or allow heinous acts. The shocking realities of Nazi Germany led researchers like Solomon Asch and Stanley Milgram to explore the depths of conformity and obedience. Their experiments, though controversial, were pivotal in demonstrating how social pressure and authority could shape behaviors and ethical choices. In a parallel narrative, Gordon Allport brought attention to the scourges of prejudice and racism, probing into the social roots of intergroup conflict and discrimination. His work laid the groundwork for understanding how and why individuals develop prejudiced attitudes and how these can manifest in society. Fast forward to the present, social psychology stands as a vibrant field, stretching its intellectual arms to embrace a multitude of social phenomena. Its scope is as vast as the human experience itself. The scope of social psychology. Social psychologists now explore the nuances of human interactions and the social fabric that binds communities together. They delve into how we form impressions of others, why we might help a stranger, or what leads us to fall in love. This discipline examines the intricate dance of attitudes and persuasion, unraveling how our beliefs are formed and how they can be swayed. Furthermore, it dissects group dynamics, uncovering the mysteries of leadership, conformity, and collective decision-making. In the realm of prejudice and intergroup relations, social psychologists seek pathways to tolerance and understanding, addressing issues of discrimination and promoting social justice. In the modern era, the field has expanded to include cultural perspectives, exploring how different societal norms and values shape human behavior. It touches upon environmental psychology, understanding how our social surroundings influence our attitudes towards nature and conservation. In essence, social psychology is a gateway to understanding the social self, how we as individuals interact with, are influenced by, and in turn influence the social world around us. Its scope is ever-evolving, driven by the complexities and challenges of contemporary society. Social psychologists investigate a wide range of topics including conformity, social influence, group behavior, social perception, leadership, prejudice and discrimination, interpersonal relationships, and aggression. Their work helps us understand phenomena like why we conform to social norms, how our attitudes are formed and changed, and the dynamics of prejudice and conflict in society. Social psychology has evolved over the years, embracing diverse methodologies and expanding its focus. From Kurt Lewin's experiments, often considered the foundation of modern social psychology, to contemporary research addressing cultural, ethical, and global issues, the field continues to evolve, offering valuable insights into the social dimension of human life. In conclusion, social psychology offers a lens through which we can understand the complex web of interactions that shape human behavior. It is not just about observing social phenomena, but also about applying this understanding to solve real-world problems. By studying social psychology, we gain insights into the forces that govern our social world and learn how to navigate and influence these forces effectively. As you prepare to delve into the second lecture, we would greatly appreciate it if you could take a moment to reflect on your experience with the first lesson. Your feedback is not just important to us. It's a cornerstone in maintaining and elevating the quality of our educational content. By sharing your thoughts, you play a crucial role in shaping the course, ensuring that we consistently meet and exceed your learning expectations. We understand that your time is valuable, and your willingness to provide feedback is a generous contribution to our community of learners. Your insights help us tailor our content to better suit your needs and learning objectives. Moreover, your review serves as a beacon for fellow knowledge seekers, guiding them to a learning experience that is both enriching and relevant. As we continue to journey through this course, your feedback ensures that the quality of our content remains top-notch, engaging, and informative.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.